Welcome to day 321 of the 365 Days of Personal Growth Challenge. We are still on the Great Mentors and Authors series from the Inspired and Transformed Devotional. And today we are going to be learning about the author Earl Nightingale, known for the strangest secret, emphasizing mindset and goals in life. Born in 1921, he overcame many obstacles and challenges in his early life, including dropping out of school and serving in the United States Marine Corps during World War II. After the war, he worked in radio and eventually became known as the Dean of Personal Development. Earl Nightingale's core message revolves around the power of thoughts and beliefs in shaping one's life. Here are some life lessons from Earl Nightingale. Number one, the power of positive thinking. Earl Nightingale emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive mindset. By focusing on what you want to achieve rather than dwelling on obstacles or failures, you can attract success into your life. For example, if you believe in yourself and your abilities, you are more likely to overcome challenges and reach your goals. Number two, goal setting and persistence. Nightingale taught that setting specific, achievable goals is crucial for success. By defining clear objectives and taking consistent action towards them, you can make steady progress and achieve remarkable results. For instance, if you dream of becoming a writer, setting a goal to write a certain number of words today and every day can help you make significant strides in your writing career. And finally, continuous learning and improvement. Nightingale emphasized the importance of lifelong learning and personal growth. By staying curious, seeking out opportunities for growth, and constantly improving yourself, you can unlock your full potential and reach new heights of achievement. We will close with these empowering affirmations. I am in control of my thoughts and my destiny. I set clear goals and I take consistent action towards achieving them. I am committed to continuous learning and personal growth. Today, I strive to become the best version of myself. Let's continue on this series tomorrow. Don't forget, you can just click on the link on description to have a copy of the Inspired and Transformed Devotional on its way to you. See you tomorrow.